All right, so last look of the Gotham Showgirl series. I know there's so many other villains that I could do. Like, I mean, Killer Frost. I could definitely do Zatanna, especially if I do like the bombshell version of her. However, I kind of want to do all of the bombshells, but that is such a big project that there's no way I could do it in like a span of this amount of time. Like, I would need years to complete all of them. So, we're just going with these six. I feel like it's a good conglomerate of different ones. So today, like the title says, and like I showed you in the intro, doing Penguin, which I think you can do so much with. So I have white corset, black top, create that kind of penguin-y look. So I did concealer on my lids, and now we're gonna go in with the eyes. So I'm gonna go into this jet black shadow on a big fluffy brush, tap off our excess, and we're gonna start just laying out the base shape. So I'm going right about to the edge of my iris, and then I'm flicking the shadow out in a wing. Going just to like the edge of my eyebrow, as my eyebrow sits right now. And then slowly bring it up around the eye socket. I'm trying to keep it as neat and clean as possible. Just going very lightly, dragging this shadow. I'm not using any extra product into the crease. And then start blending it. You want it to be like kind of softer black in the crease and then darker on the outside. So you can always build up on the outside. But I'm just blending this. And obviously some of this is gonna get cleaned up with concealer and foundation and all of that. So just blend it so it's not patchy. Now that we have the black all laid out, I'm going back in with my concealer, and I'm just gonna put a small dot on my lid in the space that we didn't put the black shadow, and use my finger to just dot this out so that it cleans up where we had any fallout or where any blending happened, just to give us a nice clean base again. So just tap this all the way over to where the black is on your eye. It'll probably turn gray, to be quite honest, but that's okay. So now that that is tapped on, I'm going to the In a Trance palette from ColourPop, and I'm going in with the color Clarity. It is this really pretty duochrome white, and it has like this blue reflect to it. And we're gonna start packing that on to where we just put the concealer. You have to use your finger to really pack it on to get the color payoff you want, and then go back in with a brush after to try and blend it all away. Then to blend out this harsh line with our brow bone, you just want to take whatever color matches your skin tone. So I have this really light kind of tan color, and start blending it into those edges. So now I'm going to do liner. I'm just gonna do a pretty standard cat eye. So it's gonna come out and into the inner corner as well. So taking my liquid liner, So that is what the shape looks like. It's just very small, comes in and just a little bit onto the bottom lash line. And I just do that more so to create that nice sharp triangle shape. So I'm gonna do the other eye, throw on the mascara, and my lashes for today are the Ardell 817. So foam inks look like this. So I'm gonna throw all that on and then I'll come back to do the base. All right, so lashes are on. Now we're gonna do the brows. I'm just gonna go in, because I'm wearing my natural hair for this. I'm just wearing it in like a low bun. I'm just gonna go in with my normal brow color, which is this hickory brown, and an angle brush, and just start filling them in. I kind of want them like sharp. So that's what we're gonna go with. Now we're gonna do foundation. This is, you know, normal everyday routine. So nothing special here. Spread it all out. I have noticed if I spread this out with the doe foot that it does tend to blend better. So I'm gonna just blend this out. Face brush, because why not? All right, concealer as normal. Just gonna do dew dots under the eyes here. And then really focusing a lot of concealer on the tip of the nose. So just blend that out. And then I just want to focus it mainly here. So it gives that penguin-y, beaky look. Because I'm going to contour my nose really thin. Then just blend out the concealer. Time to contour. Going into my e.l.f. contouring quad. I'm just taking this really flat head brush from e.l.f. and we're gonna very carefully contour the nose. So I'm gonna do the little lines pretty close together. Right there. And then, so it kind of creates like two triangles and then bring them down to meet at the bottom. You just gotta make sure they're straight. And then for the face, I'm just laying it out. I use like it's the third color in the quad. So it looks orangey in the pan. That's actually not that bad. And then we're gonna go dot, 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 dot around the hairline, since I am wearing my hair in a bun, and then down into the temple. All right, so now we're gonna blend it. I'm gonna take a different brush to blend it. I'm gonna use this duo fiber brush from Real Techniques that just blends everything so nicely. For the blush, I'm gonna be taking an orange color. This is like a deep orange. This one's from Makeup Geek. I don't think they make it anymore, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty old. And we're just gonna go in on the cheeks. That might be a lot, but it's okay. That's what brushes were made for, to blend. On the nose, so it's orange like a beak. Get it? Penguin. Yes, we're committing to the role. So I'm gonna take this brush out again and just blend the blush. Highlight. So I have a Super Shock shadow, or Super Shock highlight from ColourPop in the color Honeymoon. This is like my favorite. It's very blue and shiny. So I'm gonna tap a lot on the cheeks. And then the nose. Like, you want to look wet. And then up on the forehead. So obviously we're gonna blend some of this, right? We're gonna blend the chin and here and the tip of the nose, just so it's not overly shiny. And then you can go over the cheeks a little bit, not too much though. And then up the forehead, just so that every time you turn, it's like boom, light, boom, light. Yes, yes, yes. All right, for lips, I'm going with black. So I'm using, it is now Cursed Cosmetics. It used to be Coven Cosmetics. I'm an affiliate for them. So if you want to order any of their amazing lip potions, please use my code. It's always linked down below. But I'm using Ritual, which is their black lipstick and my favorite black lipstick. All right, so I'm gonna add the accessories and then we'll be done. So my accessories are this top hat, and then I have this cigarette holder, even though it's not a real cigarette holder. It's like a little one from Amazon. But I think it adds to the whole penguin mystique. Also, umbrellas and a cane are also great accessories for this look. So that's it for me. If you guys enjoyed this look or this Gotham series, let me know down below. I love doing looks like this, so I would love to do more. Please subscribe to my channel because Halloween is right around the corner and I have 31 looks for you. I'm so ready for you to see them all. I'm working on them as we speak. And yeah, that's it for me, and I'll see you guys in the next one.